Everyone, today I'll be taking a look at the Marvel Legends Strange Tale Waves Moon Knight. And this seems to be the new Marvel Legends standard packaging, and I like it. It seems to match up with all their other lines like Star Wars and G.I. Joe. But taking a look at the packaging, as you can see, open window displays the figure, all of his accessories in the Build-A-Figure part. You got Strange Tales on the bottom, you got Marvel Legends Build-A-Figure Blackheart right there. You got an image of Moon Knight on the side, and on the other side, just have another image of Moon Knight, just smaller Moon Knight right there. Marvel Legends on the back, same image of Moon Knight. You got all the other figures in this wave, and the Build-A-Figure right there. You got a bio on the side, you got some words and stuff. On the bottom, you got barcode and other things. On the top, you got Strange Tales. Let's go ahead and get this guy open. A closer look at the figure, it does use the Sunfire body, which I really do like the body. The only issue I have with is that the shoulders are a bit too small, but it's mostly reuse from that and does reuse parts from the older Moon Knight, the Walgreens exclusive one. The head is the same. The boots right here are the same. The new parts are these gauntlets, the belt, and the cape. I think I tried to find if any other figure used this cape. The other Moon Knight that came out didn't use this cape, and I couldn't find any other figure that used this cape. So if you could find one, just put in the comments and I'll see it. But I really like the look of this figure. It doesn't have like the shading and stuff that the older Moon Knight had, but I think it works here. It's more like a West Coast Avengers Moon Knight. Is definitely what I'm gonna use this for. There's some like painted gold parts on the gauntlets right here where these birds are, and even on the belt, you got the moon painted there. And then the inside of the cape is also painted in this black, which looks very good. And then these boots right here also painted in gold. So for accessories, he has these two fists, which are reused from the Walgreens Moon Knight, but he also has these two open hands, which I believe are newly sculpted for this figure because the Walgreens exclusive Moon Knight just came with regular open hands. So I might give one of these to him, maybe. But he does come with two of these. He has this, this, I do not know what this is called, but it is in a gold plastic. Then he has his staff, which is just done in a pearly white. I'm assuming does look good. And then he has this moon thing right here that he could throw at people. I'm not really sure what he does with these things. And then he has the three sickles right here. Yes, there's two. Here's the other one. And there is slots in the fist you can plug those into, but they fall off very easily, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. Those also come with the Blackheart Build-A-Figure piece right here. But for articulation, I think there is a ball joint and hinge up at the head. Let's see, yep, ball joint and hinge. With the hood piece though, it's kind of difficult for him. You can look up a little. No, he's bending at the torso there. He can look up slightly, just a little bit, not really that much. Can look down that far though. Got really no head tilt. Head can rotate around. Hinge at the shoulder goes up way past 90. Do have a butterfly joint, which gives you such good range. Got a bicep rotation, double jointed bend at the elbow right there. Wrist rotation can hinge out and in. Did that in reverse there, but we're gonna move on. Ab crunch forward that much, crunch back that much. You got a waist rotation. Ball joint at the hip kicks forward that much, back that much, out that much. You got a thigh rotation, double jointed bend at the knee. Gets you that much range. You got a thigh rotation. Foot can hinge forward, hinge back, and you have ankle pivot. So your standard articulation for this Sunfire body. Measuring this Moon Knight to see how tall he stands at roughly about 6¼ inches tall. Obvious comparison out the way, here he is next to the Walgreens exclusive Moon Knight. Here he is next to some of his West Coast Avengers teammates. Here is a U.S. agent in Hawkeye. Here he is next to some other heroes. Here's Captain America and Iron Man. Here he is next to some more street level heroes like Iron Fist and Luke Cage. So overall, I really like this Moon Knight figure. Maybe you don't have a Moon Knight in your collection, or you already have the Walgreens one on your street level display and you want one for your West Coast. Even when you're doing, I think this would be a great option for you. So I do recommend this figure. But anyway, that's it for this review. I'll see you next time. Bye.